Let's dive straight into the mathematics here. We have a diagram and we are asked to find one missing length and the size of one missing angle. So let us start with part 1, finding the length of CD. We are using the sine rule to do this. Let us call the length CD, because it is opposite capital B, let us call it common B. And because the length BD is opposite capital C, let us call it common C. So let us write B over sine capital B is equal to the common C over sine of capital C. Okay, so let us substitute our values. We do not know the value of B. Capital B is 48 degrees, so we have sine 48 degrees. Remember, the common letters represent lengths and the capital letters represent angles. So common C would be 7 and capital C would be 60. I'm circling it here. So we have sine 60 degrees. We will need to use our calculators. Okay, so B will be equal to 7 over sine 60 multiplied by sine of 48 degrees. Okay, so we go into our calculator now and work out 7 divided by sine 60. So sine 60 is 0.866, 3 decimal places, so we have 7 over 0.866 multiplied by sine 48. 48 sine, using our scientific calculator, 0.743 to 3 decimal places. Try to use 3 decimal places when finding trigonometric ratios. So let's work this out now. P is equal to 7 over 7 multiplied by 0.743 divided by 0.866 equals 6, approximately 6. So B would be about 6 centimeters. This missing length, which is the same as CD. So this is it here, 6 centimeters. Let's work out part 2. The measure of angle BAD, this symbol means angle. So this is angle, another way to write angle. So let's find where BAD is. So moving from B to A to D, it must be here. So we want to find the angle in blue, and we are going to use the cosine rule to do so. A squared equal B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine capital A. We have to understand how to use this. So let us get rid of these for now, and let us assign A, B, C to certain lengths. Remember, the common letters represent lengths and the capital letters represent angles. So common A is what we want to find. Sorry, capital A is what we want to find. So common A would be this length, 7, because it is opposite capital A. Common B could be 8 and common C could be 10. Okay, we want to find We want to find that angle. Alright, so this is what we do. We substitute now. So common A is 7. We have 7 squared equal B is 8. So that'll be 8 squared plus C is 10. That's 10 squared minus 2 times B times C. Remember, C is 10. B is 8. Cosine A. Let's simplify this. 7 squared, 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. 10 tens are 100. Minus 2 times 8 times 10, 160. Cosine A. Simplify this. We got cosine A is equal. Sorry, we got one. Yes, we got cosine A is equal to 49 subtract 164. Okay, and afterwards this must be divided by 100 and by negative 160. Okay, so let's make that clear. We're solving an equation here. So we divide by negative 160. Okay, 49 subtract 164. 64 plus 100 is 164. We must subtract it from both sides. Afterwards we divide by negative 160. Let's see what we get. 49 subtract 164 divided by negative 160. Divided by negative 160. We get 0.719 to 3 decimal places. Remember, a negative divided by a negative number gives a positive. So our final answer, A must be equal to the cosine inverse of 0.719. Double check that, yes. And let's go ahead and find that. We get 44 degrees to 1 decimal place. It'll be 44 degrees. Okay, so A was 44 degrees. And that is how we use the sine rule and the cosine rule. Thanks for watching and have a great day.